So what we have here is the UOS operating system. It's currently running on an M4000 controller. And you'll see that we have this organization here of apps. It's an app-based ecosystem. So we have different applications that are installed, and they're all containerized. So different from like your typical automation setup of just running a PLC runtime, we have that in Codesys here, but we also have remote I/O. We also have Ulink remote access. We have Procon Web for visualization. So we have multiple applications running simultaneously on the same device. So by containerizing our applications, it allows us to do more on a single device, and you can access all of these applications just from a web browser and a connection to your PLC. This graphic kind of shows the ecosystem, the possibilities through UOS. So a lot of field bus connectivity, Ethernet IP, Profinet, Modbus TCP are some of the most popular. And all of these are available on the local bus of the controller. We also can do a lot of cloud integration. So Codesys Automation Server, AWS connector, Azure IoT Hub. And then in here is kind of the central area where we have apps that are available through Weidmuller. We also have integrations with other third-party app marketplaces, like Flex, for example. And Docker is the ecosystem that the containers live in. And you can actually create your own application and deploy it in its own container, and it can show up in here with the other apps that we have installed through Weidmuller. Yeah, this is the possibility that you get with UOS. So looking at the UOS ecosystem in the context of the Purdue automation model, we can see we kind of play at all different levels of the automation model. Obviously, level 0 are our field bus options. Level 5, analytics. We have our cloud options up here. And then in the middle is kind of this huge possibility space where we're an open player. So we allow you to integrate with any of the kind of layer 2 through 4 applications that you are already using in your facilities. So SCADA, we have some visualization options through Codesys, through Procon Web, but going up to the MES and the ERP systems, we basically allow connections and allow you to collect data and apply it and utilize it and send it to other options in the MES and ERP space. So the containerization helps us with doing multiple applications on a single device. So in our case, our edge agent here is able to run PLC runtime code. It's also able to host visualizations and support remote access, all through different applications running on the same device. By containerizing them, those applications don't interact with each other in a way that causes issues on the hardware. We're able to kind of isolate them in their own little areas and use all the functionality together to make this device even more powerful by running on the UOS platform.